Spaz is scared of it. Stand by mommy, baby. It's too big to put on that little table.